Do you want to ask questions in Bisaya?
Watch this video to find out how. Hi guys, this is Gary.
This is Reancy, and today we're going to teach you how to ask basic Bisaya questions.
So let's get started. The first question phrase we will use is where.
Where means asa.
Asa. So let's take a look at an example we can use with the word asa in.
Asa imong balay.
Which means, where is your house?
Asa means where.
The second phrase we'll take a look at is when, which is
Kanus-a.
kanus-a. An example when we can use kanus-a is,
Kanus-a imong kasal.
and that means, when is your wedding? Kanus-a is when. So phrase number 3 we're going to use is why.
Why is ngano.
Ngano, why? So let's take an example of that one,
Ngano naa ka diri.
which means,
Why are you here?
why are you here? Why? Ngano. The next one we can use is who. So how do we say who?
Who is kinsa.
Kinsa. Who. And an example of kinsa is
Kinsa ka. Who are you?
kinsa. Who. The next question phrase we can use is what. So how do we say what in Bisaya?
Unsa.
Unsa. What. So let's have an example, please.
Unsa imong pangalan.
What is your name? What is unsa? The last question phrase we're going to teach you is how to say how in Bisaya. So how will we do this?
Unsaon.
Unsaon. How. And the question phrase is
Unsaon ni.
unsaon ni. How do you do this? Unsaon. How. Thanks guys for watching our basic tutorial today on the question phrases to use in Bisaya.
We'll see you again in the next video.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our content. You can also click the notification bell for any future content that we post. As always guys, have a great day. Goodbye from us.
Bye!
Bye!